you can smell that fried starter down there. Fried starter. That's what it did yesterday, just fell apart. Up there, I just disconnected that one. You see right here, it's gonna fry. Just broke off completely. Let's see. Let me see. There we go. See that thing? That's it. Shoot it underneath. 10 warners, because that's where it caught on fire. Caught on fire right in there. Where the fire running towards. Caught on. Hell no. Put your ass in freaking window. Yeah. See all that? I got that bright. Where it's supposed to go. That caught on down here. Tell me if that's connected correctly. Good question. I don't know. I have no idea if it's connected correctly or not. And more likely, I'll probably just fry that whole thing. There's a flame trying to crush right here. Yeah, the solenoid looks like it's got right here. It's gone. Yep, it's gone. It's fired. You can still smell it. You can see. Let me try to focus. Damn fine, I don't want to focus, but that's either what it is right there. Fuck. Oh, gotta get new fucking wiring harness for the old Ranger Danger here. Sucks. Then I'm gonna have to run this one all the way back down. Should be this one there. Looked online. They have this one, and basically it's a complete wiring harness. So run it all back out again. And then it goes down here. One is just the starter, and that one's your positive, or the ground, one or two. The ground wire is right here. You see, runs right there, and then runs down, but tees off, goes back into this boot here, runs in here, goes right there. And yeah, I know it sucks. Ranger Danger's on standby now.